XLM holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, let's get right in today's topic. I'm sure at this point you are, kind of tuned in as to what's happening with the space. Anyone that's holding any crypto asset at this point, I'm sure if you're looking at your portfolio, it's down right now because, we have seen by far one of the biggest drops in a single day for a long time for the crypto space. A lot of coins dropped down 20 to even 30+% in a single day. A lot happened. We're going to discuss, talk about some of the prices for XLM, understand what's happening. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. I know a lot of my viewers across the channel, want to see multiple different projects or reviews, but, there's so much I can do. But, again, if you want to see more of these updates, support, subscribe and all that good stuff. But yeah, you're looking at XLM down 15.6% over the last 1 hour. We have seen the market bounce a little bit, but I'm not buying this. I'm not buying this bounce. I still think we have more downside to go, and I will explain why. Before we get into it though, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So you're looking at the price of XLM at 32.7 cents, down 15.5%, down 10% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is holding really nicely at $10 billion, which is quite impressive to me. We actually saw H bar dropping below $10 billion valuation. And the 24-hour trading volume for XLM right now is about 1.4 billion. But look at the dominance index, guys, and it's simple as that. Your dominance literally mooned. We can't make this up. Literally skyrocketed up to 64.1% for the first time in 4 years. A big move, which caused a major shakeout. And in return, of course, Bitcoin also had a major drop towards the downside. Wicked down to the 23.6 support. And if you watch my if you watch my H bar update over the last 24 to 48 hours, even XRP, your boy told you guys about, this exact neckline to be looking out for. And believe it or not, I was getting a lot of hate comments, but now all of a sudden everyone's going to be like, bearish, I'm bearish. The price is sitting here, and, your boy was calling this. And you can literally fact check that. But anyhow, obviously this support, coming as a support, obviously not a surprise to any one of us because, of course, it's a major support line. But you don't want this support dropping, guys. If it does, 85K Bitcoin, welcome on the table for the first time since, November. So, we could be making our way down to, pretty much before Donald Trump got elected, those levels where, the market was. So, again, we could see a major shakeout in the upcoming, hours or even days. Tomorrow it's going to be really interesting to see what we hear about the tariffs because, again, you want to be paying very close attention to that. But if you're looking at XLM, so did the broader market, but you saw this major wick for XLM down to 26.2 cents. Did not last too long. If you picked it up, you did see an instant gain of about 28%. Do let me know in the comments down below if you somehow managed to pick up XLM around this range. But what's quite impressive still here to me is the fact that you still did not see XLM price retesting 24.2 cents key support, which is really interesting to me. But a major drop for the markets. And right now, obviously we did reclaim back up to, this 33 cents price point. I'm not surprised at that because, like I said, market, did not hold around these levels for too long. You did see market bounce back. But with that said, you want to see these support really hold. So now what you want to see is, maybe the price of XLM to start consolidating around this range and, extending its support. If not, these targets, that this wick that we saw could actually get filled in the upcoming days ahead of us, especially considering where the dominance is currently sitting and where Bitcoin is. So in terms of fear, even though we're seeing a little bit of a bounce right now, people are like, yes, market's about to pump up, this is it. I still think we need more confirmation. We want to hear what's going to happen. Dominance is too high right now for us to get, confident. And I'm not confident by any means. But again, this is something I'm looking at very closely. A lot of projects around the crypto space in terms of an opportunity standpoint. I'm very excited. I'm very excited, to be quite frank with you, about what's happening with this space. But again, you're going to take it one step at a time. Do let me know down below what you guys think about XLM. Where do you see the price of XLM going? But yeah, lock those profits in, especially to the early comers, that picked it up while no one was touching XLM. This is a perfect learning lesson for everyone to, not listen to the trolls. I've been saying if this is too much money that you cannot afford to lose, take some profits off of the table. And literally since our yearly high that we set for ourselves back in November, you have seen a drop of about 60% for XLM since then. So again, let this be a learning lesson. Obviously, I think this is going to be short-lived, but we could see some painful, days, weeks even coming ahead. But I do believe, we will see market bouncing again. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX and Peace.